Hey guys, and welcome to the last chapter about preparation. In this one, we're going to be dividing the upper body from the lower body. Something very important to mention is that during the course 3D printing from zero to hero that Martin Verhoeven developed for us, he had this issue encountered several times and he offered different solutions. So I really recommend you to take a look and have it as an option. As I said before, it's very important to know different solutions for the same problem. Okay? So in this case, I just decide to make the cat where the underwear is because it's the most natural cat. So what you seeing here, I'm just going to be hiding and unhiding the shapes just to make sure that I have the most natural like cat in this sense. So I'm going very slow here because I'm aware this area is going to be slightly difficult to print, and because also the edges are going to be quite small, the thickness of the edge is going to be quite small. So I just try to make sure that I understand the shapes better little by little. So right now I just trying to again try to get the best shape of the upper body. So I just go small step by step. And something also very cool about the process is that if you're working with polygroups, that is my case, every time you create Dynamesh from different pieces, you always have a different polygroups. That can help you definitely to create, to already help you for this process, okay? So in this case, I'm able to actually to hide already polygroup areas. That is very important to mention here. So this step is just little by little. I'm just creating right now the upper body, and later on I'm just going to be subtracting the legs from the upper body and vice versa, so I can have a clean-up shape from both sides. Okay, so I'm just going to create a small time lapse here so you can see how I develop the full process. So during the Boolean operation, it created me some few shapes that I'm aware that are going to be problematic later on during the 3D print. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to smooth them out. And I'm aware that it won't be an issue, so I don't need to create a second Boolean operation. Just by smooth them out, I just kind of ensuring that the thickness there is going to be fine, and I'm not going to create, artifacts during the print. Okay. So with all of this, we are ready from preparation, and we are ready have time actually to start moving from the keys. So let's start creating all the keys for this character.